Delhi is witnessing cleaner and froth-free Yamuna this time. The Chhath festivities are being celebrated at the ghats without toxic material visible, which has been a rare sight in the last decade. As froth goes missing from Yamuna water, Aam Aadmi Party has launched a scathing attack at BJP, alleging that fake Yamuna was created for Chhath celebrations. Aam Aadmi Party also claimed that Prime Minister Modi cancelled his public Chhath celebrations because of this reason only. Aam Aadmi Party also cornered the BJP government in Delhi over the alarming pollution levels in the national capital.
मेरा सौभाग्य है कि मैं अपने छठ व्रती बहनों के साथ में मिलकर के इस छठी मैया की पूजा में शामिल हो पाई और हम सब ने मिलकर के छठ के इस महापर्व का आनंद लिया।
केजरीवाल गया झाग गया, इस बार कहीं झाग नहीं है यमुना पे, सुंदर छठ पूजा हो रही है। और मुझे ये लगता है कि जो घाट पर है, जो छठ मना रहा है, उन सबके चेहरों से आप किसी को भी माइक लगा के पूछ लीजिए, जमीन आसमान का अंतर है। इतनी दिव्य छठ मुख्यमंत्री जी ने स्वयं लीड लिया, एक एक घाट पर स्वयं गई, कल शाम का अर्घ दिया, आज सुबह का अर्घ दिया। दिल्ली में ऐसी कोई सरकार आई नहीं है। एक एक मंत्री घाट पे खड़ा है, रात को भी खड़े हैं, सुबह भी खड़े हैं, व्यवस्था सारी ठीक है और लोगों के चेहरे बता रहे हैं कि लोग खुश हैं। तो जो लोग यमुना में प्रदूषण करते थे, झाग करते थे और छठ पे बैन लगाते थे, उन्हें दिल्ली के लोगों ने बाहर कर दिया।
Now, earlier this morning, India Today tracked Chhath celebrations at Yamuna Ghats in Delhi. Take a look at these news reports.
You could see as to how the preparations were done. Wooden planks have been put up. Wooden bamboo boundary walls have been put up in order to ensure the safety of the Chhatratis, as well as this residue of the puja, that is the flowers, the sugarcane and other material do not go into the main river of Yamuna, further polluting the Yamuna river. But the image that's being continuously referred to is the frothless Yamuna. This is the ITO bridge where you would usually in the past years see froth and foam covering the entire surface of Yamuna, and those horrifying images of Chhatratis dipping into the Yamuna water, looking like, as if they are amidst clouds. That image has not come out this time around, because the Delhi government agencies have continuously worked round the clock, sprinkling chemical defoamers, taking care of cleaning of Yamuna at several parts, whether it be Vasudev Ghat, Yamuna Ghat or Kalindi Kunj. But on the other side, Aam Aadmi Party is training gun at the Bharatiya Janata Party and Chief Minister Rekha Gupta, saying that it's just cosmetic solution that has been done, and that fecal coliform levels and other parameters of Yamuna river are polluted to dangerous levels. So the politics over Chhath is exploding, but certainly this time around we saw a different image coming from the national capital. Chhatratis dipping into Yamuna river, which did not had foam or froth on the surface. With video journalist Himanshu Sharma, this is Amit Bhardwaj reporting for India Today from Delhi.